You're the man. You're quick, huh?
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
I lost my phone.
Ah, you lost your phone?
Yeah,
Where?
my phone got stolen.
Oh, where? Oh, where?
I don't know. I was trying to look it up and like they turned it off.
But they don't use your phone because it's locked. Use your phone because it's locked. You can use your GPS to locate your
Can
phone.
I get your number? And maybe I'll give you a good tip if you help me get my phone. Or maybe you help me track it down if it's still turned on.
Oh, wow.
Because I'm going to my brother's house right here. So that's why I'm coming here. And the other person here that I know.
How do I track your phone? How do I track your phone?
Do you have an iPhone?
Yes.
Yes. And maybe I can take you sign in to my iPhone. And honestly, dude, I'll give you like 2.